Hi, I'm Victor Paul and I am an Enjoy advocate. Today I'm going to be doing an updo style. It's going to be super easy and fun for you guys to do. It's just going to have a little bit of twist and a little bit of movement. Preparation is the key for success. So I'm going to walk you through what I like to do for my prep work. So I'm going to take this little section of hair and leave that out. I'm just going to pin it, and then I'm going to take the other side and I'm just going to pin it down. What I'm going to be doing today is just taking this hair in the back and I'm going to be setting it. I'm going to take the first section out and down. Simply just let that hair drop. I'm going to take this hair and I'm just going to get rid of it. I'm just going to put it right up there. That way it's not in my way. One of my favorite products to use by Enjoy is the thermal styling spray. The reason I love it, it has a memory and it helps the curl hold. It's just absolutely amazing. So I like to spray it right at the root. Let me tell you guys about this fun tool. It is a baby crimper. It is so great for creating extra volume, especially extra volume at the root or through the hair. I absolutely love it. So what I'm going to do on her hair, because I'm not going to do the whole strand, I'm only going to do a few pieces. I'm going to do right at the base, one, and then to here. If you guys could see that, I'm just crimping right to there. So that way, I'm just going to create a little extra volume at the roots. But I want to give it a little bit more body to the ends and have that hair have a little bit more flow and a little bit more movement. So I'm using the 2-inch curling iron. The 2-inch curling iron is really nice just to give you a little extra body and wave. It's not going to actually give you curl or like that beach wave. It's just going to give you a little bit more movement. You guys know how much I love the thermal styling spray. I actually like to use it again for the second time. I like to spray it on the ends so that way there's a little extra memory right on the ends. And then I'll take my curling iron. What's important when you're doing curling iron work is placing the curling iron smack in the center of the hair and then rolling and having your ends come out and then rolling. And go ahead and roll right over that little last section that I crimped, which is right there, and then roll it all the way up. What that's going to do is smooth it down just a little bit. Drop the hair into your hand like that. It's going to make it so much easier for you guys to set it and pin it. What I'm going to do now on this section of hair is I'm going to leave this hair out right here, right to the center of the ear. I'm not going to crimp that because I want this hair that's here to be smooth when I pull it back. I don't want it to have that extra volume around her face. I'm going to curl it. And just remember, turn your curling iron up to drop the curls into your palm. And then I'm just going to take that hair and place it. From here on out, what I'm going to do is continue crimping the hair and curling the hair up all the way through the top. So you guys could see that I've gone through her hair and crimped and curled everything. The only thing I didn't crimp is around her hairline and around the hairline down through here. I've just set basically in just bricks all the way around. These two little front pieces, I don't want a whole lot of curl, that's why I'm using the large curling iron. I'm just going to take it, throw a little bit of curl in here. It's not going to give it a whole lot, just a little soft little action on this side and on this side. Just like that. And it's going to be super soft, super easy, pretty undone. Just a little bit of curl coming around her face just to add a little bit of interest. That'll fall down. Do you see how soft and pretty that is? It's nothing too structured, just soft and easy curls. So now what I'm going to do is going to go ahead and drop her. I'm going to take all the clippies out. And her hair is really nice right now because it has all that extra memory that the thermal styling spray gave her. These curls are going to last. They're not going to be super hard curls, super loose, super easy. But you can see already by just dropping them how much volume we've created at the root. It just makes her hair look so much fuller. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this a nice size piece just like this, right about from here down. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to clip it right here really easy. That way I could come back to it in a second. Then I'm going to go over here, grab the same piece of hair on this side of her head, same basic size. I'm just going to take these. I'm just going to rubber band it together. What's a key note about this is you don't want the rubber band to be too high up here, otherwise it gets it harder to do the flip. So then I'm going to take that hair, just flip it once over itself, and then twice over itself. So then you have this kind of action, it looks like that. And then you just take that hair and then pull it right out It's going to give you this really soft, fun little look. And then you take it on this side, just pull the hair back out. And what's nice about this is you don't have to be really precise. The more messy and undone it looks, the better it's going to feel. So that's kind of the feel what we're going for. And then we're just going to repeat it again. I like to finish it off with a little texture and volume. I just give it a light little spray. And what's really nice about the texture and volume, it has a really good smell to it. And then just kind of mess up your ends, kind of give it a little bit of curl. And that's my finished look.